Hi, I'm Brandy Cook, and this is my business partner, Vicki Crossland of Maybon Real Estate.
We want to welcome you to 160 Fox Trace Court in beautiful Woodside Plantation. It's a great community where you can be as active as you want to be.
So let's go inside and check it out. Welcome inside. This home offers 3 bedrooms, 3 full bathrooms, and an unexpected large workshop area.
This home offers an open concept that is great for everyday living.
A great feature about this house is the master suite, so let's go check it out. Check out this gorgeous walk-in shower. This bathroom offers several handicap features, and look at this large closet space.
We're here on the lower level. If you're looking for additional living area, a guest suite, and easy access to an outdoor space, this home might be just what you're looking for.
This home is tucked away in a cul-de-sac location, so you get the benefits of this woodsy private setting. It also offers this large deck, a covered patio, and a screen porch.
Check out this workshop area, plus the additional storage this home offers, and it also has an additional exterior service door for easy access. We hope you enjoyed this video tour of this home today. If you're interested in having a private showing, let us know by messaging us or call your favorite realtor.
And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay up to date on all of our current and future videos. Also, remember, it's your home, your lifestyle, and
We are your Aiken Homes team.